Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. It's Dino here. You can't believe it where I am currently. I'm Hollywood Walk of Fame for the first time, and this is unbelievably good. And I gotta tell you guys, I got today my friend with me.
What's up guys, I'm Nadim and I run a fitness YouTube channel. So if you want to check me out,
check him out.
Dino will link my...
I believe everybody knows you already.
Okay.
Because you were on my Twitch.
Yeah, true,
and I promoted you so many times. So if you need somebody...
Dino is really a good guy and I really appreciate his friendship.
With me, with him. We're not gay, by the way, but we love each other.
And we are enjoying Los Angeles.
We're currently on the Walk of Fame and it's awesome. So what does my Nadim does? He's a gym trainer.
Yeah, I'm fitness personal trainer.
Fitness personal trainer. He's gonna put you in a shape you were never before.
Exactly.
You know. So today, me and him just got together here to experience the Walk of Fame.
Exactly.
And you were here already.
So it's kind of crazy. We met here 7,000 miles away from home. We met in Los Angeles. It's crazy.
And we're hanging. This is so awesome.
Yeah.
I'm not alone, and the guy has the same mindset like me. I do it in gaming industry. He's doing it in fitness industry.
We are chasing our dreams.
Yeah. And now we're gonna go for a walk. We're gonna check out all those good signs and all those stars on the floor.
Basically, we are searching for star Muhammad Ali.
You mean Nadim Verbatz? We're searching for the star Nadim Verbatz. He's gonna be here already. Somewhere here he's gonna be.
One day, hope so.
One day, hope so. So, yeah, just do it. Make your dreams come true. You know. So I'm gonna make this vlog about all the lights and all the, I don't know, just this you can feel it. I don't want to talk. I don't want to say nothing about it, but just let's go.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, it's good, guys, that we meet each other. 32 minutes I can stream. I can record. So,
okay, guys, so we still didn't find Muhammad Ali star, and we are still searching.
Yes, and for the I can't believe it. I'm in Hollywood and I smell petrenia. I smell petrenia, man. Oops.
Whoopsie.
I smell fucking barbecue, bro, man, in the middle of the Hollywood. Is that the Hollywood dream? Cevapi and pljeskavica in the middle of the Hollywood?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah, kinda. So where am I? What is it? I know, it's something big. Check it out. So me and Nadine are still walking. We're just checking out what's happening. There's so many artists, so many, there's a lot of bumps too. There's a lot of happening, but we're still searching for stars of Muhammad Ali. So guys, this is it. We finished the trip by the Walk of Fame. We're eating ice cream, enjoying the life, and it's time to
Time to party.
see ya.